Welcome to this lesson on OET Reading Part A. In this video, we'll learn what happens in Reading Part A, what skills are tested, and how to manage your time during the test. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the structure of Reading Part A, recognize the 3 types of questions, and use smart strategies to read faster and answer accurately. The reading subtest has 3 parts. You will complete Part A first in 15 minutes. Then, the question booklet is collected, and you'll continue with Parts B and C for 45 minutes. Reading Part A lasts only 15 minutes. You'll read 4 short texts that all share one topic. There are 20 questions in total, and you must answer as many as you can before time runs out. Each Reading Part A test has 4 short texts about the same topic. For example, if the topic is fractures, dislocations, and sprains, each text will focus on a different part of that topic. Text A often gives definitions or key terms. Text B might explain how to manage a condition. Text C is usually a visual or table, like drug dosages. Text D gives numbered steps, such as how to apply a plaster cast. There are 3 types of questions in Reading Part A: matching, short answer, and sentence completion. Let's look at each type closely. In matching questions, you must find which text contains specific information. For example, in which text can you find information about pain relief? Then write A, B, C, or D. Short answer questions ask you to write one word or a short phrase from one of the texts. For example, what should be used to elevate a fractured leg? The answer might be pillow. Copy the word exactly from the text. Sentence completion questions ask you to finish a sentence using words from the text. For example, falling on an outstretched hand is a typical cause of a Chiwa sign of the elbow. The answer is dislocation. Before you start, look at the main title above the texts. It tells you the topic and helps you predict what kind of information you'll find. Spend about 30 seconds scanning each text before you answer. Look at headings, subheadings, and keywords to find information faster later. You have only 15 minutes. Don't get stuck on one question. If you can't find an answer, skip it and come back later. There's no negative marking. The texts and questions often use different words with the same meaning. For example, pain relief in the question might appear as analgesia in the text. Avoid reading word for word. You don't have time. Always scan all texts and copy words exactly. Spelling mistakes can make an answer wrong. The best way to improve is to practice with official OET materials. Scan, find keywords, and answer quickly. This will make you faster and more confident. Reading Part A is about speed, focus, and practice. Keep training, stay positive, and you'll succeed on test day.